Present indefinite tense. The present indefinite tense, also known as the simple present tense, is used to describe actions, states or habits that are generally true or habitual in the present time. The structure of the present indefinite tense is formed with the base form of the verb, also called the infinitive without to, with the exception of the third person singular, he or she / it, which requires the addition of an s or s to the end of the verb. Examples: 1. I eat breakfast every morning. 2. You play basketball after school. 3. He studies for his exams. 4. She listens to music while she works. 5. It rains a lot in this city. 6. We go to the gym 3 times a week. 7. They enjoy spending time with their friends. Here are some additional details about the present indefinite tense. It is used to describe actions, states or habits that are generally true or habitual in the present time. The present indefinite tense can also be used to describe actions or events that are happening at the moment of speaking. For the third person singular, he or she / it, the verb form requires the addition of s or s at the end of the verb. Examples: 1. He plays the guitar every day. 2. She watches TV in the evening. 3. It snows a lot in the mountains. 1. The present indefinite tense can be used with time expressions to describe actions or habits that occur at specific times or intervals. Examples: 1. I always wake up early in the morning. 2. We usually have dinner at 7 p.m. 3. They sometimes go to the beach on weekends. 1. The present indefinite tense can also be used to describe scheduled events or future arrangements. Examples: 1. The concert starts at 8 p.m. tonight. 2. Our flight leaves at 10 a.m. tomorrow. 3. She visits her family every summer. Overall, the present indefinite tense is a versatile tense that is used to describe actions, states or habits that are generally true or habitual in the present time. It is important to use the correct verb form for the third person singular and to use time expressions to provide additional context. Thanks for watching.